Diane.
Yes, sir.
Abrabono, how has it been? A bit more on one name Diana Hamilton. Yes, Diana Hamilton, your nurse. Yes, your boy, your nurse. Oh, your nurse.
Pacho me a nurse.
Nurse, the Ahibia.
Me pacho me a general nurse. Me general practice.
General practice
nurse.
Oh, London.
Pacho I.
To call London now, quite Juma.
Pacho I.
And your cash woman.
He must see my obedient me.
I didn't say about come
Oh, not the back.
Not the back.
More crowd than the mouth.
Saying I will see handle fame. Say CIA across the globe. Diana Hamilton. You are on the page. Obia new. Nigeria, West Africa, across Abrochire. You show, you show, and that's all called Cajun Bia. Diana Hamilton. Saying I will see handle no.
It will be interesting. See, be busa omomoya around me because me and Kasadi, me nimsa me famous. I know you one.
Who nim?
Debbie.
Then tina who nim. Debbie artist of the year. It was so difficult to break that jinx. Joe Metal started. Now you feel say we. Then Ghana nyum to phone na. Who now we artist of the year? Famous ne be him be na.
Oh, okay. And one say I dey be wa say toma amunumwa and I hits you. But if it's come to you gradually, organically, it's taking years. Akola e woni to sikem. Ene akola obrenya ye ene ye wan ana akola oda akona yapa weni loto bi da cash bi buy. Yeah, with 3 different categories I can see.
Two de ne de.
Me no ya me na ba e de ama kakra na.
What do I for process
ni mu ene abedu ntine you don't even see mra start ye ne mra
baby abedu no. Tu mfa hwa
Debbie eyadum.
What's it eyadum?
Eyadum. Omahine eyadum because
describe adum as say.
You made a statement. Me you you know can say there could be a song that our lyrics no might be better than what you have, what we put out. There could be somebody with a better voice than we have. There could be somebody who is hardworking than I am. People will say, I'm hardworking, I'm putting in my best. But you can put in your best, but it's a grace of God, no? It's called the unmerited favor. Adianka ensesewunya.
Oh,
emfatao. Na nyame ebu bi na odi amao. Sa adom no ena meka eno ena wo de ka hard work edumaden diligence, consistency. Oye adwuma oye no more ompaba na da ne da guso a wo ye no na o dan nyame ginidi no na fe o de sa adom na beka ho na fe agensem enubia